Biomolecules. Today we learn about biomolecules. First of all, carbohydrates. What are carbohydrates? Optically active polyhydroxy aldehydes and ketones together are called carbohydrates. Just to listen what is meant by optically active. When a plain polarized light is made to fall on these substances, it changes the direction. That's called optically active. So that's the first one is optically active polyhydroxy aldehydes and ketones are called carbohydrates. Then monosaccharides. What are the classifications are there? Here the carbohydrates are classified on the basis of the number of the glucose units. And the first one is the monosaccharides. Mono, the name itself tells they cannot further hydrolyze. The first one is glucose, galactose and fructose. Glucose, galactose, fructose are the example for monosaccharides. Then we come to that oligosaccharides. Again, what do you mean by oligosaccharides? Oligo means many. If you hydrolyze the carbohydrates, they can give 2 to 10 monosaccharides. Such compounds are called oligosaccharides. Saccharides means you should remember that was in glucose content. Here we have that different oligosaccharides: sucrose, maltose, lactose, raffinose. Here's a different one. Then after this one, in this oligosaccharides, we can classify it into different types: disaccharides, trisaccharides, tetrasaccharides, then pentose, then hexose and heptose. So first you come to that monosaccharides, we got it. That's about the sucrose, maltose, lactose and raffinose. And come to the disaccharides. As the name itself tells, disaccharides means it consists of the two sugar units. There's the glucose units. Maybe the two C6H12O6 groups. The first one is sucrose, that consists of glucose and fructose. Again the maltose, it consists of both glucose and glucose units. Then about the third one is lactose, that's composed of galactose and glucose. Come to the trisaccharides. Trisaccharide, the name itself tells as that it consists of the three monosaccharides. First one is raffinose. Raffinose is formed by galactose, glucose and fructose. Again the three are there: isomaltose and masto, the maltotrioses and nigertrioses. These are all consist of all the glucose only, but the position is changed. These are called trisaccharides. Then we come to that another one is tetrasaccharides. As we know that the trisaccharides is there. Again that one, the trisaccharides, they consist of the three types of the glucose. For example, malizitose and maltotriose and ketose. As we know that one, the malizitose is made up of the galactose, fructose and glucose. Glucose, fructose and glucose. Again maltotriose is made up of galactose and fructose, and ketose is made up of galactose, fructose and fructose. Then monosaccharides. Again we are going to classify the monosaccharides on the number of the carbohydrates. The first one is the triose. The trioses. What are the three trioses are there? Number of carbon atoms are 3, one aldehyde group and alcohol group, and the same type is tetrose. Tetrose, again the carbon compounds are 4, and then one aldehyde group and one alcohol group, and OH group is subjoining with this. This is about the another one. This is called as one tetrose. Similarly we got the another one also. We learned that one. After this, pentose. Penta means 5. Pentose, again carbon atoms are 5, and then one is aldehyde and another is CH2OH. Again OH is alternating. The one is called ribose and then arabinose. And then hexoses. Hexoses common called as glucose. Carbon 6 and aldehyde groups and the other things. Here we can go for that one, the glucose, galactose and mannose is there. There's another one is there. Then after this, this is the last example for the heptose, the monosaccharides and heptose. Number of that, the carbon atoms are 7. This is called, just to observe the name, pseudoheliptose or pseudohelplose. pseudo halplose. That's about the number of the carbon atoms are 7. CH2OH, CH2OH, the two groups, and then one carbonyl group CO, and then another OH and H bonds are going. So this is about the one of the classifications of carbohydrates. The next class we go for that another classification. Thank you one and all.